question. So right after we multiply the wheel, you're going to have 15 seconds to pick either green, blue, or yellow. If you don't make your choice in time.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
This is the amount of money issued for 184,987 euros.
4,600 of you want that. 68,000. RMIK 52,000. Google 8,000. Wow, congratulations. Good job. Hi, the newcomers, welcome. That was out of nowhere. That was out of nowhere. Right?
Open. A bit of a challenging session here, guys. No denial, but hopefully we're going to make it through. Hi, Alri. Where are you from, sweetie? I don't think we spoke before. Hi, Melis. Greetings. How are your days? I don't know any No, I do know one word in Portuguese, Ornelas, but I cannot say on this stage as professional host because it's a swear word. You say it normally in the most disappointing moments. 20x and 10. Go, 10. Come on, 200 wood.
This is the amount of money issued 1,548,868 euros.
700 woods. Woo, woo, woo. That's what we're talking. 99.
Good. Good, lad. Cash hand with 5x. The cash con. Woo! We got it. Cash con with 5x multiplier. Look at that. You know, I love it. Let's go, guys. Just like imagine, if we will get right now 500x, the highest multi. No, come on, baby. Give me something great. And this time we got 100x. So you know what? 1, 2, 3. Top slot. 5x. Blam! Now here we go. 500, the highest multi. Let's go. Let's pull the lever. 1, 2, 3. Boom! Look at that. 250, 125, 500. Amazing cash hand. Let's go. Mixing our wall, our symbols. And then we'll continue, guys. Ta-da! Here we go. Chat, everybody. Try to find the highest one. 500 somewhere here. Okay, let's go. Let's move on. Look at that. Some cactus, some apples, some bunnies, some ducks. What else? There is apples, sheriff stars, joker hats. Okay, I will pick something in block.
This is the amount of money issued 303,114 euros.
One top 5 winners, guys. This time 54 players, cash.
Ooh, we got a cash on double though. Hey, we missed the previous cash on, but we land this one though. All right, well, TOPSLOT will do its work. All right, nice. Leave you more than 40 minutes. No, not 40 yet, man. We've only been 35. Oh, 500x. That's going to get doubled, so that's going to be 1K. 1K right here, you can see. Wow. And some 150s, some, what else, 100x's as well. Not bad, not bad. All right, so keep in mind, it's going to get waffled and shuffled. So if 1,000 is hidden under a rabbit, a cupcake, a hat, or whatever, it's going to get waffled and shuffled, so you never know. So it can't be under anything. So just click on something, hope it is the 1,000 or whatever you're kind of hoping for at least, right? So 1K the best, baby. 1K the best. I don't believe that. Hey, try it. Take a screenshot before and after a couple of times and see if it does switch around. So you can do that. Why not?
This is the amount of money issued 116,198 euros.
Far right. How many players got it? 32. All right, 32 players with 1,000. Enjoy. 5,398 winners overall, though. But Pam with the 100x on top and 9,300 euro. Nice. 100x. Well done for those as well. Not bad. 100 also is pretty sweet. 100x. Say, nice. There you go. Not too chubby. All right, big screen.
152 players. No, okay. Move on.
5X now. Come on, let it be cash in. Come on, come on, come on. Oh boy, it is cash in, players, with a 7X. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh boy, cash in, you are being really sweet to us this session. 3X previously, now 7X. Oh, here we go again, players. Here we go again. Okay, so for now, this is the highest, but brace yourselves, prepare yourselves, because this is gonna be it now. 700X is gonna be the highest humans that you can get in this cash. And oh, look at the board being all yummy and stuff. There was 500 something, 300 something, so many awesome things. Oh boy. Okay. This is gonna be real exciting. Oh boy. Okay, if you're ready, well, the thing is, you gotta find the 700X. You gotta find it. It's someplace on this board, so all the possibilities are there for you. You gotta find it. I believe in you. If you cannot choose, you can rely on out of it. Okay? Okay, no more decisions. No, boy. Oh, boy. Let's see.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,646,290 euros.
Close to the middle, too. So beautiful. This was exciting. My congratulations goes to all of you winners. Beautiful round. What can I say? 10,841 of you all in total won this cash hunt. Enjoy. Yes. Wow. Wow.
That is... Guys, do you see that? Do you see that? It's gonna get 3 times multiplied. And we get in 1,500X. It's a new best of the day. Now the question is, how many of you gonna find it? Boom, baby. Because it's only one of them on the wall. And you got 15 seconds to pick the symbol. If you don't choose anything, the pick feature will get it for you. So, hey, that's your choice how you want to do it. But keep in mind, we just now managed to score the new best of the day. 1,000X, no more. 1,500X, hello. Woo, woo. Let me try.
This is the amount of money issued, 189,890 euros.
Out there, my huge congrats to all the winners. 74 people with the 1,500X.
Let's do it, guys. Let's go. So juicy. Now good luck to you guys. Let's open the right door. Bye. So, here we go. I will dance my penguin. Last craze done was the 20-20-15. This time to act first of all. Now wheel. 1, 2, 3. Woo! To act now wheel. Woo. Okay, guys. Pick one. Green, blue, yellow, yellow, green, or blue. It's up to you. Oh my. Look at that. 400X will be the highest multi. Ooh la la. That sounds good. Green, blue, yellow, yellow, green, or blue. That'll be cool to get a triple. 400. Boom! Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued, 237,636 euros.
Ooh, we got a 50, 20, and 200 on yellow. No juicy, juicy yellow one. Hello, my sunshine. Okay, guys, we're going back to review. Hi. 7,000 players win, or 8K for you, not 7K for you, NK, 7K as well. Camp on top you with Spanish one more time. Good luck. 200X was on yellow. That was cool. Let's go. Finally got it. Are you happy? Or still no, guys? Woo! We got it. Crazy time with 5X. Let's go, guys. Let's open that red door. I wish you guys a lot. Kisses. Bye. Follow me. Follow. Okie dokie, that's amazing. Let's go. But it's not works like that. Come on, what? I love you. I hate you. Come on. But from the left to height, one step. First of all, 5X on wheel. Boom, shakalaka. Woo! We got it. Amazing, guys. That's so nice. Yes. 500, guys, will be the highest multi, but there's possible to get a double bubble. Or double trouble, I don't know how you wish you can call it. Okay, I will dance my penguins. Okay, 500. Boom! Let's go. Double. Okay, let's go. Double bubble. Hi, Jess. Welcome.
This is the amount of money issued for 112,161 euros.
125. Okay, 250 on blue, 125 yellow, and 75 green. Let's go. We're going back to our wheel. Congratulations to the winners. Enjoy the treats. You have winners, chicken, dinner. Hi, we are back. 6,000 players won. 9K for you, Sierra, Kyle, Jago, top winners. I wish you best of luck. Let's spin one more time. Good luck. Oh, Mr. K, congratulations. That's amazing. Okay, we'll try to add something else. Missing pachinko and cash hand during this session. We can try.
Guys, and time's over. No, that's true, Nico. That's true. Sometimes you just need a calm and predictable. 10x and crazy time, guys. Oh, please, don't flip over! Ladies and gentlemen, 10x on crazy time! This could be our chance to change the new best. Well, change for the new best of the day. So, my honey bunnies, you better pick that flapper carefully now. So right after we multiply the wheel, you're going to have 15 seconds to pick either green, blue, or yellow. If you don't make your choice in time, then the auto-pick feature will get you something random. And there's such a bonus round like this. I even don't know. Better to rely to the destiny or try and change it yourself with your own hand. Right, guys. Everybody ready, go! 1000x, yo! I go green as always.
This is the amount of money issued 1,076,593 euros.
Got 500x on the blue and yellow, 250x on the green, not the best, but still quite yummy. 4,146 ones got tofu and fish, got the top 3 results. Hey, you 500x winners, what's for dinners?
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.